Specifications. Electrical rating 15A, 125 volts, 1875 W. Meets or exceeds UL 943 2015 standards. Compliant with National Electric Code, NEC requirements. ETL listed. Slim GFCI Outlet. New slim, modern design for easier and quicker installation in shallow electrical boxes. GFI Outlets. Provides protection from electrical shocks that might occur from faulty appliances in damp locations. Device detects and trips on ground faults within 1/40th of a second. Auto Test 15 Amp GFCI Outlet. To ensure continuous protection against ground faults, the GFCI outlet conducts automatic self-tests. Install in your bathroom, kitchen, garage, and basement. Package contents. 15 amp white GFCI receptacle, 4.59 by 2.76 white wall plate, screws, installation manual, stickers, US-based customer support. Easy installation. Terminals allow for easy wiring options. Back and side wire capable. LED indicator light. Green LED indicator light shows that the device is functioning correctly. Top reviews from the United States. They work well. These seem to work well. Quality is in line with what the big box stores sell. No issues at all.